How to see friend's birthday in Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see friend's birthday in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, you can head over to the bottom right corner on the menu section. Under menu, you can see the events section right here. If you do not see it, tap on the see more button to just expand this. Now for some people, the event section and the birthday section are completely different. But for some, the birthday is inside the event section. So if that's the case, head over to event and search for birthday right around here. If the birthday option is right here, tap on the birthday option. After you do that, you will see the list of birthday. Since none of my friends' birthday are coming up, they are not listed here, but if your friend's birthday are coming up, it'll get listed right here. And that's how you can see the birthdays of your friends. Now, if you want to get notified whenever there's a birthday, what you can do is tap on this gear icon on the top and head over to the notification section. It's under the preference section. Tap on notifications and there you should see birthdays. Head over to birthdays and make sure that the notification is turned on for this. And yeah, that is how you can see your friend's birthday in Facebook. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.